Training your dog can be one of the most rewarding journeys you embark on as a pet owner. Not only does it foster a deeper bond between you and your furry companion, but it also establishes the ground rules that contribute to a harmonious household. Whether you've just adopted a puppy, welcomed a rescue, or simply want to teach your established pet new tricks, understanding how to approach dog training with clarity and patience is essential. The first step in making dog training easy is to recognize that every dog is unique. Some may pick up commands quickly, while others require more repetition and encouragement. The secret lies in your consistency, your positive attitude, and your commitment to building trust. Begin with the basics. Before any advanced training can happen, your dog must learn foundational commands. The classic sit, stay, come, and down are the cornerstones of any well-trained canine. Teaching these commands not only helps your dog understand what's expected, but also lays the groundwork for more complex tasks in the future. Start with sit. This command is one of the easiest and most natural for dogs to learn. Hold a treat close to your dog's nose, then move your hand up, allowing their head to follow the treat and causing their bottom to lower. Once they're in a sitting position, say, sit. Give them the treat and offer praise. Repeat this process several times each day until your dog masters it. Stay builds on sit. Once your dog is sitting, open the palm of your hand in front of you and say, stay. Take a step back, and if your dog remains in the position, reward them with a treat and plenty of praise. Gradually increase the distance and duration. If your dog moves before you release them, gently guide them back and begin again. Consistency is key. They will learn that staying in position leads to reward. For come, leash your dog and get down to their level. Gently pull the leash and say come in an enthusiastic, inviting tone. When your dog approaches, reward with treats and affection. Practice in a safe, enclosed area while gradually increasing distractions and distances as your dog improves. Down can be a bit more of a challenge due to its submissive nature. Begin with your dog in a sitting position. Hold a treat in your closed fist and lower it to the ground. Slide your hand along the floor to guide your dog into the lying position. Once down, say the command, give the treat, and offer gentle praise. Alongside these commands, socialization plays a vital role in your dog's development. Socialization is the process of exposing your dog to new people, environments, sights, and sounds. Properly socialized dogs are less likely to develop anxiety or fear-based behaviors. Take your dog for walks in different neighborhoods, introduce them to friends and other pets, and allow them to experience novel situations in a controlled and positive manner. Positive reinforcement is at the heart of effective dog training. Instead of focusing on what your dog does wrong, celebrate what they do right. Use treats, toys, and praise as rewards. Dogs are more likely to repeat behaviors when those behaviors lead to good things. If they sit when asked, offer a treat. If they stay calm in a new environment, lavish them with affectionate words and petting. The more immediate and consistent the reward, the sooner your dog associates the command with the desired action. Timing is crucial. Praise and reward your dog the moment the desired behavior occurs. Delayed rewards can confuse your pet, making it difficult for them to link the action with the reward. Short, frequent training sessions work best. 5 to 10 minutes at a time, repeated throughout the day. Keep your dog engaged and prevent boredom. Patience is a virtue in dog training. Dogs, like people, have off days. There will be times when your dog seems distracted or uninterested. Approach these moments with understanding rather than frustration. If you or your dog becomes tired or irritable, it's better to end the session on a positive note and try again later. Crate training can also make life easier for both you and your pet, providing a safe, comfortable space for rest and a helpful aid for house training. Introduce the crate slowly. Make it inviting with soft bedding and familiar toys. Use treats to encourage your dog to go inside, rewarding them for choosing the crate voluntarily. Never use the crate as punishment. It should always be a positive, safe haven. When it comes to undesirable behaviors like chewing on furniture or excessive barking, redirection is often more effective than punishment. If your dog begins chewing a shoe, calmly redirect them to an appropriate toy, then praise them when they make the right choice. Consistency is essential. Over time, your dog will learn which behaviors are acceptable. House training, often the biggest concern for puppy owners, is a process that hinges on routine. Take your dog outside frequently, upon waking, after meals, and before bedtime, offering praise and treats each time they eliminate in the correct spot. Accidents will happen, especially with young puppies. Respond calmly, clean up thoroughly, and continue reinforcing the routine. For leash training, start indoors where distractions are minimal. Encourage your dog to walk by your side, rewarding them for a loose leash. Gradually progress to outdoor walks, keeping sessions upbeat and using treats to entice your dog to remain near you. If your dog pulls, stop and wait for them to return to you before continuing. With time, your dog will associate loose leash walking with forward movement and reward. Understanding your dog's motivations can also simplify the training process. Some dogs are food-driven and respond readily to tasty treats. Others are motivated by play, affection, or verbal praise. Get to know what encourages your dog most and use it as your primary tool during training sessions. Remember that communication is more than words. Dogs read body language, tone of voice, and energy levels. A calm, confident demeanor encourages your dog to relax and focus. Avoid harsh corrections, as these can damage trust and hinder learning. Instead, guide your dog toward success using patience and positivity. If you find yourself struggling with a particular behavior or command, don't hesitate to seek help. Professional trainers and behaviorists offer valuable guidance tailored to your dog's individual needs. Many offer group classes, private lessons, or even virtual support, making expert advice more accessible than ever. Above all, focus on building a partnership based on mutual respect and understanding. Training is as much about you learning your dog as it is about your dog learning from you. Approach each session with curiosity and joy, celebrating the small victories along the way. Training can also be a lifelong endeavor. Even dogs who have mastered basic commands benefit from continued learning and mental enrichment. Teach them new tricks, try agility games, or provide puzzle toys that challenge their minds. Mental stimulation prevents boredom and curbs destructive behavior, keeping your dog engaged and happy. Finally, recognize the importance of exercise in your training routine. A well-exercised dog is calmer, more focused, and easier to train. Strive for daily walks, interactive play, and opportunities to explore. Regular physical activity not only supports your dog's physical health, but also sets the stage for successful training sessions. Dog training, when approached with consistency, patience, and love, need not be complicated or overwhelming. By focusing on positive reinforcement, clear communication, and a solid routine, you'll find that your dog not only learns basic commands, but also becomes a willing, joyful partner in all your adventures. Remember, every dog, regardless of age, breed, or temperament, can learn. The journey you take together will not only create a well-mannered companion, but also deepen the extraordinary bond you share. The key to easy dog training is really about enjoying the process, celebrating your dog's individuality, and nurturing the connection between you. With time and dedication, you'll transform everyday moments into opportunities for learning, laughter, and love, a testament to the magic of life with a well-trained dog.